Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Stanley H2.0 is probably one of the most talked about water bottles on the market right now, and for good reason. Its sleek design, impressive insulation, and overall durability have made it a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts, gym-goers, and everyday users alike. But is it really worth the hype? In this video, we're diving deep into the Stanley H2.0, exploring its features, and helping you decide if it's the right hydration companion for you. Number 5. Hydro Flask 32 ounces wide mouth straw lid white. This straw lid is leak-proof, making it easy to enjoy your favorite cold drinks. It's designed for convenience and ensures a mess-free experience, perfect for any adventure. The carry loop on the straw lid makes it simple to transport. Whether you're hiking or just on the go, it's comfortable to carry and always within reach. Made with 18.8 pro-grade stainless steel, this product is built to last. It ensures a pure taste, with no flavor transfer, so your drinks always taste their best. This product features temp shield insulation, keeping beverages cold for up to 24 hours and hot for up to 12 hours. It's the perfect companion for any weather. The Color Last powder coat is dishwasher safe and keeps the bottle slip-free and colorful. It's designed to withstand daily use while maintaining its vibrant look. This product fits most backcountry water filters, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. It's designed to keep you hydrated wherever your journey takes you. What we like? This Hydro Flask features a leak-proof straw lid, making it super convenient for on-the-go hydration. It's also made with durable stainless steel, ensuring it can withstand daily use. If you're always on the move and need a reliable, easy-to-carry water bottle, this is a great choice. It keeps your drinks cold for hours, perfect for those hot days or intense workouts. What people say? It keeps water nice and cool. Very sturdy and solidly built. Water stays cold and it's easy to carry. Number 4. Vikgle Stanley Cup Accessory Set. This complete set includes straw covers, a handle charm, spill-proof stoppers, and a silicone boot. It's designed to fit Stanley Quencher and Ice Flow tumblers. This set enhances your cup's functionality and style. The straw covers keep dust away, while the silicone boot protects against scratches and dents. The charm adds a unique touch. This set ensures your cup is well protected and stylish. Made from high-quality silicone, this set is durable, clear, and odorless. It's also reusable and easy to clean. You can wash it by hand or in a machine. With a variety of styles and colors, there's a set to match your cup perfectly. Find the one that best suits your personality. Let your cup reflect your unique style. This cute and practical set makes a great gift for yourself or others. It's perfect for any occasion and suitable for all ages. Take it with you and enjoy it during outdoor activities. What we like? This Stanley Cup accessories set offers comprehensive protection with straw covers and a silicone boot. The set includes a cute handle charm, making your cup unique. If you like to personalize your cup and keep it protected, this is the perfect choice. It's a great gift, adding both style and functionality to your tumbler. What people say? The handle is sturdy and comfortable to hold. The flow state lid is leak-proof when closed. The double-wall vacuum insulation keeps drinks cold for hours. Number 3. Litaget Stanley Cup Phone Holder. This innovative holder combines a magnetic phone mount with your Stanley Quencher. It gives you an extra hand, so you can carry both your phone and your water bottle with ease. You'll never forget your phone again. Featuring 20 powerful and 52 magnets, this holder keeps your phone secure. It's easy to attach and works directly with iPhone 12 to 16 series and magnetic cases. For other phones, a metal ring is included. The Z-shaped design provides the most stable structure. It ensures your cup remains balanced, even when empty. This design keeps your phone secure. The magnetic holder is 90 degrees adjustable, supporting both horizontal and vertical phone use. You can use it at any angle while still drinking from your straw. It also supports rear and front camera use. Replace your lid's bridge with this holder to turn your tumbler into a phone stand. It props up your phone for comfortable viewing during video calls or while watching videos. You can even use it in your car. This holder is designed specifically for Stanley Quencher H2.0 flow state tumblers. Choose the correct size based on your cup volume. Contact us if you have any questions. We provide lifetime service. What we like. This Litaget phone holder is a must-have accessory, combining a phone holder and water bottle. It features a stable Z-shaped structure, ensuring your cup won't tip over. If you're someone who likes to watch videos or needs to keep your phone accessible while working or driving, this will be a game changer. It's perfect for hands-free convenience. What people say. The handle is sturdy and comfortable to hold. The insulation is top-notch, keeping drinks cold for hours. The design is sleek and modern. Number 2. Stanley H2.0 40-ounce tumbler lid replacement. This replacement lid is crafted from high-quality, food-grade plastic. It's odorless, durable, and BPA-free, designed for long-term use and easy cleaning. It can withstand high temperatures without deforming. Designed for the 40-ounce Stanley, the push-button lid opens easily with one hand. The flip straw design allows for quick and effortless sipping, making it super convenient to use. This replacement lid is designed to prevent leaks. Once secured, it provides leak-proof performance, giving you peace of mind. You won't have to worry about spills, even if the cup is tilted. The set includes 2 replacement lids and 4 sturdy straws. The straws are made of high-quality tritan material, which is not easily deformed or broken. They are suitable for both hot and cold drinks. This replacement flip lid is designed to prevent liquid leaks. Once securely fastened, it ensures leak-proof performance, providing you with peace of mind during both use and storage of the tumbler. Even if the cup is tilted, never worry about liquid splashes again. What we like. This 40-ounce flip straw lid is designed with a leak-proof feature, ensuring no spills. It's made from durable, BPA-free material and features an easy-to-use flip straw. If you're looking for a reliable and convenient lid replacement for your Stanley, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who are always on the go and need a spill-proof solution. What people say. The handle is sturdy and comfortable to hold. The flow of water is perfect, not too fast or slow. The lid is easy to clean. Number 1. AudeRhine 30-ounce leak-proof lid for Stanley. Introducing the AudeRhine leak-proof lid, designed to keep your drink secure. With this lid, you can enjoy your beverages without any worries about spills or leaks. The transparent design allows you to easily monitor your drink levels. This feature makes it simple to track your hydration throughout the day. This lid is specifically designed for the Stanley Quencher H2.0 30 ounces and 30-ounce Stanley Pro Tour tumblers. It's the perfect accessory for your tumbler, ensuring a snug fit. Made from high-quality, BPA-free, and heat-resistant materials, this lid is built to last. You can reuse it multiple times, providing long-lasting use. Simply flip the straw up to drink and close it securely to prevent spills. The easy-to-use design makes it suitable for both adults and kids. What we like. This 2-pack 30-ounce leak-proof lid features a leak-proof design, preventing any spills. The transparent design allows you to easily see the liquid level. If you are looking for a simple, reliable, and easy-to-use lid replacement, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to keep track of their hydration throughout the day. What people say. The handle is sturdy and easy to hold. The flow rate is perfect, not too fast or slow. The color is beautiful and the finish is smooth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.